Well, all of our portfolio is growing double digit in the U.S. at this moment in time, so we feel very good about that. We're hitting all the key categories, particularly in tequila. Our Espolòn brand is on fire. In Q3, it more than doubled in sales, and tequila is the hottest category right now in the U.S., growing by about 30%. So we're vastly outperforming that, and we feel very good with what we have.
Can I just jump in and ask you how drinks businesses find new growth opportunities in this market? Is there any tried or tested way that the businesses are all sort of exploring at this point, given the changes we've seen with COVID?
Well, the single most important thing for us has been to really push through our edutainment initiatives. That is to really take our consumers through a step-by-step approach on how to make their favorite cocktails at home. And that has proven very, very important and very potent.
How do you pick up on that? Because Heineken was talking about some of those changes. They're seeking new growth areas today. And what we've seen in the background, this market's changed. You know, people, if they are going to pubs, they're standing outside these days. They're not inside, which means you're not watching someone make a cocktail in front of you necessarily anymore. But there are these pop-up businesses where people deliver cocktails to your door now. Do you think we're seeing complete remaking of the drinks business?
Well, I think it's very positive to see those initiatives. I mean, it is clearly underlying the fact that the spirits are taking market share from other alcoholic categories, particularly beer. But I don't think that it's going to change really the dynamics of the industry for the mid to the long term. I think this is a temporary measure. I think that the on-premise is going to come back roaring once we'll have vanquished this pandemic.
Just in terms of profitability of some of the smaller establishments out there, it's clearly challenging times, and it feels as if you're a bigger business, you've got deeper pockets to ride out this crisis. What does that mean in terms of consolidation opportunities?
Well, consolidation, I think, remains at the top of the agenda of our industry. We're a very fragmented industry. Clearly, some smaller independent monobrand players are feeling more, I think, the pressure right now. We'll see what it brings. You know, we're a serial acquirer. We have a fatter wallet now that we've moved our legal seat to the Netherlands. So we will look at the future with cautious confidence.
Bob, can I ask you about Aperol specifically? People know the Aperol cocktail. It's one of the few cocktails that actually has the brand name Aperol in its name. It's very European. It's seen as a very sophisticated cocktail, and I know you've made a lot of effort to make this more of a brand name in other parts of the world. Do you think that Aperol can become a truly global brand?
Well, absolutely. I mean, if we look at it today, it's our largest brand with 20% of our sales. The U.S. is our third largest market and one of the ones growing fastest. We're having very encouraging test results for our micro battles in China so far. And the brand is growing double digit across all markets internationally. So we feel very good about its prospects.